Hey there, viewers! All of those who lift weights or bodybuild know full well the bad side of lifting, things that they don't normally share with beginners. As odd as it may be, but this is actually the truth. No one fills you in on these secrets, like feeling old and gains slowing down over time. Let's fill you in on what nobody tells you about building muscle. In the muscle building world, there are lots of myths and misinformation floating around. So if any of you are thinking of building muscle, then let's take a look at some distressing truths you'll soon realize. For instance, lack of consistency is one of the primary reasons most people fail. Working out for long periods of time is another, but we'll be diving more into that towards the end of the video. Number 1, you feel old several years too early. Don't get us wrong, you'll feel fine or great even after you've been lifting weights for a while. But here's the catch. Only if you're sitting still, because once you're moving, you'd be feeling like an old guy. Getting up in the morning will be different. You'll be achy from lifting that you may need to unfurl yourself out of bed. Some of your body parts may wake up faster than the rest, but just to warn you, it won't still be easy. Number 2, your muscle gain slows down over time. For the first 12 to 24 months of lifting, gains will come fast. You'll be feeling so good from seeing a consistent increase in both size and strength. However, over time, the rate of gains start to decrease, so your initial reaction may be to panic. It's important to know that progress naturally slows over time, but it doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. In fact, if you closely and accurately monitor your progress, you'd see that you're still moving forward, albeit it's only taking longer. Number 3, magic workout programs are a myth. You may have heard about this before, but let us stress this again. There are no magic workout programs. As a matter of fact, most popular training programs use several of the same exercises. But if you focus on proper diet, consistency, and progressive overload, many of these programs will do you good. Thus, it's mostly up to you. Use a program that motivates you the most to hit the gym. Before we continue, a like would be great. Number 4. Longer workouts don't translate to more results. Do you spend 2 to 3 hours per workout? You should know that doing so will only be counterproductive. You're either doing far too many sets, you spend half of your workout gossiping with others, or you have too long rest periods between sets. Generally, a solid workout ranges from 45 minutes to an hour. Number 5, inconsistency is your number 1 enemy. The wrong workout or diet isn't the reason most lifters fail. Instead, it's the lack of consistency that's usually to blame. If your goal is to become massive and strong, then you must work out religiously for years without a major layoff. Many men have succeeded due to their consistency, but no one has succeeded without consistency. You can take a 1-week break from the gym every 2 to 3 months, but if it's more than this, then you may want to evaluate what's keeping you away. Now that you know these things, do you still have the same view on muscle building? Share your thoughts about this in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel. Here are 2 more videos you should check out. Both of them will definitely help you reach your goals.